PSE index went down from 7,382.84 last November 12, 2021, to 7,280.57 this November 19, 2021. This performance is equivalent to a minus 1.39% decrease in the index for the week. Our magical stocks also went down from 750.73k pesos to 740.92k pesos, or a minus 1.31% decrease in our investment. Overall, our magical stocks profit went down from 149.92k pesos to 140.1k pesos. We bought one stock last week and we will discuss it in this video. Before we proceed with our discussion, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. In the screening last month, we also eyed one stock that is nearing its year 2015 price. The stock also passed our criteria. Its PER is at 8.49 and DTE is at 1.92, which is below our threshold of 5.5. It also paid 0.2002 pesos per share last September 16, 2021. Double Dragon Properties Corporation, formerly known as Injip Land Corporation, was established in 2009 as the real estate development arm of Injip Investments Inc. In 2012, the company became a joint venture between Injip Investments, headed by Edgar J. Sia II, and Honeystar Holdings Corporation, the holding company of the Tan and Ang families led by Jollibee Foods founder Tony Tan Kak Tiong. The company's corporate name was changed to its present form in the same year. Double Dragon Properties shares debuted on the Philippine Stock Exchange through an initial public offering in 2014. We were waiting for DD or Double Dragon Properties Corporation at the price level of 9.0 pesos per share. We bid for a month at 9.03 at 5,600 shares, and last November 19, 2021, it went down to 9.02 and our bid was given the full bid of 5,600 shares. It eventually went up and close at 9.16 pesos per share. There is a huge upside in this stock. Here is the worksheet for our 4 batches of magical stocks. Our top performer is Glow, gaining 5.83%, while the least performer is AP, losing minus 3.01%. We still don't have any sell signal for our magical stocks. Our first batch is above the market with a gap of 11.42% this November 19, 2021, coming from 9.77% last November 12, 2021. Our second batch is above the market with a gap of 26.16% this November 19, 2021, coming from 25.61% last November 12, 2021. Our third batch is above the market with a gap of 0.67% this November 19, 2021, coming from 0.48% last November 12, 2021. Our fourth batch is above the market with a gap of 6.7% this November 19, 2021, coming from 5.43% last November 12, 2021. To summarize our investment, the first batch of magical stocks is gaining by 34.03%, coming from 34.09%. The second batch is gaining by 27.24%, coming from 28.11%. The third batch is gaining by 14.16%, coming from 15.55%. The fourth batch is gaining by 12.01%, coming from 12.22%. Overall, with an investment of 600.82k pesos, our investment's current value is 740.92k pesos, equivalent to 23.32%, coming from 24.95%. We have a gaining first batch, a gaining second batch, a gaining third batch and a gaining fourth batch. That will be all for the magical stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will continue updating the 4 batches of magical stocks and the 8 experimental stocks. Quote, "You don't need to be a rocket scientist. Investing is not a game where the guy with the 160 IQ beats the guy with 130 IQ. Unquote. Warren Buffett. See you in the following video. Have a great day ahead.